Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. Today I am going to show you how to bake a Victoria sponge cake. This cake is named after Queen Victoria and goes by the names Victoria sponge or Victoria sandwich cake. They say Queen Victoria was very fond of serving this cake at afternoon tea. Traditionally, you decorate the top of the cake with just a sprinkling of caster sugar or powdered sugar. Although this cake is called a sponge cake, it is more like a pound cake in texture and taste. Let's get started. In a large bowl, sift or whisk 1 and 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, half teaspoon of salt. Save this and keep this aside. In another bowl, take 1 cup, that is 225 grams of unsalted butter at room temperature. Beat the butter until smooth. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and 1 cup, that is 200 grams of caster sugar or superfine white sugar to this, and beat on medium to high speed until the mixture is light and fluffy, about 3 to 5 minutes. Take 4 large eggs at room temperature. Add the eggs one at a time, beating well after each addition. Butter or line 2 8-inch baking tins with parchment paper and divide the batter evenly between the two pans, smoothing the tops with the back of the spoon or an offset spatula. Meanwhile, preheat your oven at 180 degrees for 10 minutes and bake about 20 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center of the cake comes out clean. Remove the cakes from oven and place on a wire rack to cool in their pans about 15 minutes. Then run a knife around the sides of the cake tin and demold the cake. Remove the parchment paper and let the cake cool completely. In a bowl, take 3/4 cup of heavy whipping cream and whip the cream until stiff peaks form. Place one cake layer top of the cake facing down onto your serving plate. Traditionally, this cake is filled with either raspberry or strawberry jam. You could use other flavors of jam or could even fill the cake with lemon curd or even chocolate hazelnut spread. Now, spread the whipped cream on top of the jam. Then place the second layer of the top of the cream and top of the cake facing up. Dust the top of the cake with caster sugar or powdered sugar. If not serving right away, cover and refrigerate. This cake can be stored in the refrigerator for about 3 to 4 days. You can decorate your cake according to your wish. I have used rest of the whipping cream to cover the sides and top of the cake. And here is the absolutely delicious Victoria cake. Do try out this recipe at home and share your feedbacks. And please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon so that you will get notification when we upload new videos. See you with more videos. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.